Hey Jay, hope you are doing well. So, I'm going to show you how to change content on the pages. First of all, I'm going to let you know about the products and the pages, okay? So, as you can see, we don't have much pages on this website. So, I'm going to show you how to upload the product on show page, okay? So, here is the show page. If you are going to upload a new product on this website, you have to check mm, all of product here. As you can see in admin panel, go to the all product, open all product editor on editor. Just wait for open admin. It's a iPage hosting, so it's going very slow. So I suggest you yesterday morning, please change your hosting. So let's go to Walmart lenses. Contact lenses. This is for upload a new product on your website, okay? So I'm going to add this product on your website, okay? So first of all, I need to check the property of this product on a reference website. Here you need to check the uh, performa of this product, okay? So as you told me, here is no sigmatism, right? There is no sigmatism. Then we don't need the right cylinder and right axis, okay? So go to the product and find any of product without sigmatism. So I'm going to duplicate this product. Duplicate. Open a new tab. You need to save this image. Save here. Save it here. So here is your image. Here is the image of this product. This is the reference website. So I duplicated the product. Please review my video and upload a new product. How to upload a new product? Okay. So as you can see, the one of the product Biofinity XR is now duplicated. So you don't need to do anything. Okay. You just copy the text. Control C, Control V, and check the by Alcon. You need to hit the brand, uncheck it, and click on Alcon. So this product is related to Alcon, okay? So now we need to copy the content of this product, okay? So more about this product, copy all of texts and go back to the product and Control A, Control V, paste it here. And for these taxes, you need to add it here. Okay, and okay, so as you can see, the link is different, right? So copy this permalink. For permalink, copy this, click on edit and paste it here and OK. So as you can see, the WordPress created a new permalink for this product. Okay, now we need to upload a new image, product image, this one. Now we need to upload this image on our product. Okay, so here you can see, here is a product image. Okay, so remove that first. Set product image, upload, and you can select like this, but I already have this on my desktop, so I'm drag and dropping this file to here. It will take some time to upload. Sometimes it's very fast, as you can see, it's very fast now. Set product image. And as you can see, everything is done. We change the name, we change the link, we change the text, and we change everything as image. Now you need to go to the publish the product. Okay, so the new product is published. So now need to check this product how it looks like. So you need to go to the view product, right click here, open it on new tab. This one. As you can see, both are same. Painting by Alcon and like this, everything is same. Okay, so like this you can upload the product. I will let you know the next thing on next video. Okay, thank you.